Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn English sentences for daily use. If you like this video, you must hit like the button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. So without wasting of time, let's begin. आज रात यहीं आराम करें. Rest here tonight. Rest here tonight. तुम मुझे पागल कर दोगे. You will make me mad. You will make me mad. दरवाजे पर दस्तक कौन दे रहा है? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? मैं आज सुबह देर से उठा. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. आप बहुत अच्छे हैं. So nice of you. So nice of you. क्या आपके पास वक्त है? Do you have the time? Do you have the time? मैं तुम्हें कैसे बताऊं? How do I tell you? How do I tell you? अपनी दौलत पर फख्र न करो. Don't boast of your wealth. Don't boast of your wealth. बराए करम मुदाखलत न करें. Please don't interfere. Please don't interfere. बच्चों को सोने दें. Put the children to sleep. Put the children to sleep. मेरा एक काम करोगे? Do me a favor please. Do me a favor please. मैं सुबह से बाहर हूँ. I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. तुम मुझे हमेशा क्यों तंग करती हो? Why do you always annoy me? Why do you always annoy me? अपनी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद ना करो. Don't waste your life. Don't waste your life. तुम मुझसे क्यों मिलना चाहते हो? Why do you want to meet her? Why do you want to meet her? तुमने ईद की शॉपिंग कर ली है? Have you finished shopping for Eid? Have you finished shopping for Eid? मौसीकी रूह की ग़ज़ा नहीं है. Music is not food for the soul. Music is not food for the soul. Soul means रूह. यह बच्चगाना मजाक था. It was a childish prank. It was a childish prank. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.